Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. There are other people in the house and I don't want to disturb anybody, so that's why I'm speaking so quietly. So I really hope you can still hear me. But today we are going to go through what is in my hospital bag. So first off, here in Guyana, you have to take everything that you think you're going to need while you're there. You don't know how long you're going to be in the hospital, so you just need to take everything just to be sure. I packed my stuff and baby stuff together. So this is the suitcase. This side is my side, and then we're gonna unzip that side. Let me show you. So when we unzip this side, this is everything for baby boy. Okay, so we're gonna go through each bag, each section. We're gonna go through the stuff for me, and then we're gonna go through the stuff for baby. So right at the top of my suitcase there is this pen along with a folder, and I'm gonna put my clinic card in here. If I make it to my next clinic date, I'm gonna put it in here after, but I have to take my clinic card with me when I go to the hospital. So this is the first thing, and any documents that they give me, I'm just gonna place it in here so everything is organized. The next thing I have at the top is my towel, because just in case I bathe. Alright, so now we're getting into the nitty gritties. I have a water bottle. My aunt gave me this. This would be very handy when I'm walking around and I just get thirsty. The next thing, hand sanitizer, of course. So I have 2 nursing bras. They're both black. But the thing is that I don't know how long I'm going to be in the hospital, and I'm walking with 2 just to walk with 2. So these are the type that you just raise up like this. Wow, why is it? It's easier when it's on, guys. It's easier when it's on. Yeah, and then your nipples just peek out through here, and you nurse, and then you clip it back. Now these are not sexy. They're not supposed to be sexy. They're supposed to be convenient for the baby, not you. Well, convenient for you too, because it ensures that you don't have to pull down your entire bra. I have 2 small towels, a green and a blue for my face. I have my prenatals, because even after you have your baby, you need to continue taking prenatals. So I have these just as a reminder. So I actually have 2 different prenatals. I have this one, and I have this one that I got from the clinic. This one has iron, because my iron levels were really low, so I needed to start. So now I'm just taking this, but because I have so much of this left, I just put it in the suitcase just so that I have my prenatals with me. As you guys can tell, I'm getting very hot. Oh my gosh, give me a moment. I have 2 slippers. So I have a fuzzy slipper, but it has kind of a little bit of grip at the bottom, but fuzzy slippers for me to just walk around and be comfortable. And then I have these other slippers, rubber slippers, Old Navy slippers, for me to just wear and go and have a shower. Now we're gonna get to the undergarments. So I'm walking with pads and Pampers. I know that they say the hospital tells you to come with pads and underwear. So along with my pads, I have 3 pairs of underwears. But I wanted to walk with Pampers because, so I spoke to a friend of mine when she had her baby. She said that they were more comfortable to wear the Pampers, because it's like no matter what angle you lay, it's not gonna run out. And I know with pads, I've had leakage with my period, so much less with what's it called, with labor blood, delivery after that, much less with the amount of blood that I might be seeing. So I'm walking with both just in case. And with that in mind, I'm also walking with newspaper. People, when you see your period, anytime you use pads, please wrap it up in some newspaper. So I'm walking with these just in case, to wrap up with either the pads or the Pampers, whichever one I use. It's gonna be wrapped up in here, then placed in a plastic bag, and then disposed of. I have a pajama, and I was to check to see if this top part was stretchy enough to pull down. Okay, no, but okay, we're gonna figure it out. Him and I are gonna figure this out. But this is what it looks like. It's just a normal pajama. We don't need to look sexy. No. We don't need to look sexy for these babies. No, I'm sorry. No. Sexiness is what got us in this position, okay? Sexiness is what got us in the position of having a baby. So we really don't need to look sexy at this point in time. And then I also have this, what do you call it? I know people call it a dressing gown, but what do we call it? Oh my gosh. But it's just one of those. This is more than likely what I might be wearing, because this has the snaps that I can pull open and just nurse him when I'm ready. Once I'm in there, this would be easier for me to wear, to just pull out the baby and nurse him. I know you guys can tell that I'm tired because I'm so quiet and I'm so low energy tonight, but I don't know, I've just been having a couple of contractions and I've been feeling very tired lately, so that's why. And last piece of clothing item is something for me to go home with. So it's just a long dress. This is what it looks like. I bought three of it actually, 2 black and 1 white. And the white one, if I'm at home, when I take him to go to the hospital, if I'm at home to go to the hospital, then I'm gonna wear the white to go to the hospital, and then I'm gonna wear this black to come. The next thing we have is some wipes, just a pack of wipes, Pampers wipes. I know I won't need these in the hospital, but I'm walking with it just because it's the kind of person that I am. But there are 2 items I know I won't need. It is the B&T powder, and this is what we put on the baby's navel area, just to try and dry it up so that it can fall off easier. You know what I'm talking about, the navel string, yeah. Just so that excess umbilical cord, residual umbilical cord, yeah, so that it can just dry up. And then the next thing is glycerine, and this is what we use to clean the baby's mouth. But I know I might need this on the first day. More than likely I won't, so I don't know why I'm walking with it. So in here I have some cream. It's not this lotion, it's not this, but I have some lotion in here. I have my soap. I was also told to walk with some Dettol or Savlon. I have my toothpaste and my toothbrush, because that's important. You want your breath to smell nice for your child. You don't want the child there, you talking, my love, I love you, and you're just breathing a lot of hot stink air into your child's mouth. That's what into your child's nose. Is that what you want? Is that what you want? No, that's not what you want. I have, this is a plastic bag of plastic bags for the Pampers / pads / any dirty clothes that I will have. And I also have a makeup bag. Makeup. Am I really taking makeup? Am I really gonna use these things? But we're gonna take it just to patronize me, and it's not even necessarily makeup. This is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, a gel moisturizer. Was my bra showing all the time and nobody told me? A blush, because I don't know why, I just think blush makes me feel happy. I have a mascara. For what purpose? I don't know. I have some concealer, some skin colored concealer. I have some brown mascara, because why? I really won't be using these things, but all is life. The only thing I might really be using is this lip gloss. That's my makeup bag. Now we are over to the baby side, and First thing we have is his soap dish with his little pear soap inside. Oh my gosh, it smells, pear soap smells like baby. Oh my god. It just smells so good. The first bag we have here is, and I wrote on it, is the receiving bag. And this is just the bag of the stuff that they will need when he first comes out. So yeah, you have to walk with all these things, my friend. Here in Guyana, you gotta walk with everything. You don't get anything in the hospital, and that's fine. That is fine. But you just gotta, that's why I'm packing so much unnecessary nonsense, okay? That is why. So I have his little onesie. Just a plain white onesie. Doesn't need anything fancy for when he first comes out. I have his little towel. We have a, well, I put three face rags. They're just really small, but you know, I just put them inside here just in case they will need them. A pair of white socks, a swaddle, a blanket, it's a green blanket, and then I was instructed to walk with some napkins to clean him off, because when they first take him out, they use these napkins to just wipe him off, get rid of all of the mucus and blood, whatever else comes on his skin. Yeah, they use the napkins to clean him off first before using the towel and everything. And then I just have one tiny hamper. Look at it. Look at this. Look at the size of this thing. Okay, look. It's not even. It's so. Look at it. It is so tiny. Oh my gosh. A couple of clothing pieces and two blankets. So I have these two blankets, a yellow and a white and yellow. I don't know, I love the color yellow for some reason. I don't think colors have gender, but I just love the color yellow. I have a couple more of those face wraps, a vest. Oh god, look how this thing is so tiny. Look how tiny it is. This is a shimmy. It says mom and dad. I'm gonna be a mommy. And last but not least in this bag, I don't know why I have this random hat. Anyways, but yeah, just a hat. But in this bag, this is the going home bag. Everybody keeps saying that they think it's twins, but you know. So we just have, once again, a vest, couple of socks, like couple pairs of socks, people. Couple pairs of socks. This is 4 so far. Why am I walking with all this? I don't know. Somebody needs to stop me. Then I have 2 going home outfits. I don't know which one I'll use, but we have this blue one with polar bears on it, and it comes with a matching hat, and I have the matching sock to go with it. Or we'll go with the green one that says hello. I really like this one, and it comes with this hat with a little bear on it, and this also comes with a matching sock. So we don't know which one yet. I have another onesie, another plain white onesie. Somebody needs to stop me. But anyways, he's a baby. We don't know how much mess he's gonna make. Oh, I have some binkies. 1, 2. Lord, what? Apparently I'm going to live in the hospital. 3, 4. Apparently we are living there, people. And then I just have these hand mittens. One side looks bigger, but they're the same here. Why do they look like this? It's just. And then this is the craziness. Why am I walking with all these Pampers? Explain to me why. Why am I walking with all of these Pampers? Why? Is he going to be messing all over the place? Then in this bag, I just have one big white blanket. And the last bag is the bag with his napkins, because as I said, I really want to just use napkins for him. But because the hospital said to come with Pampers, that's why I have Pampers to take with me. So I'm going to have a whole lot of Pampers at home well, by my mom, where I'll be staying. So yeah, so we have some napkins, we have the pins. I never hope. I don't feel like opening the bags, so I have pins, and then I have these waterproof, what do you call it, pants, waterproof pants that you just put open over the napkins so that they don't mess up much. Voiceover Joanna here. I forgot to tell you that you need to walk with your pillow, your pillowcase, bed sheet, and a cover sheet just to be comfortable, and a fan because you don't know how hot the place is going to be. And when you're in labor, you just want as much breeze on you as possible. And food stuff. Ensure you walk with snacks that you can eat, nothing that should be refrigerated because you don't have access to a refrigerator while you're in hospital. But ensure your loved ones are bringing meals for you every day. So yeah, that's it. Back to video, Joanna. And that is the end of the bag. And that is all. I am so tired. I am so hot. I'm so hungry. I am having contractions. And I'm so ready to see my baby boy. Oh, and presently I am 39 weeks. That's why. So you can come any minute. I could be sitting here now and in my water break and ploops, he's in the world. But that is all. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you some insight on what to bring. I'm being excessive because this is my first child and I don't know what to expect. I don't know how long I'm going to be in the hospital, and I just want to make sure that he has everything he needs to be comfortable, and that I am comfortable. Oh, you didn't see deodorant? I'm going to put my deodorant in here later. What else do I have to put? Nothing else. My hair is going to be braided and my mom is going to plait my hair for me, so is that a contraction or is it a fart? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please keep me in your prayers so that I can have an easy delivery. But thank you so much for your support throughout this journey, and I will see you in the next one. Have a faithfully blessed day. Bye guys.